day, year ones. Hello, year ones, and welcome back. Today is Friday, so you are opening up on morning Friday's activity book. Okay, so for today, some more match the word or the picture to the word activity. All you have to do is draw a line from the picture to the word that best fits it, okay? So here are the words wig, bat, mix, and pig. Then we move on to your maths. All you have to do is subtract 8 from 5, okay? So you get whatever you need. Get 8 counters and take away 5, or you can use the number line. Write your answers in this circle. And then you have another number to dot activity where you just join the dots starting with number 1. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is it for today's activities.